AI is not just a buzzword anymore. So in 2025, people who know how to use AI to create content, to use in their daily life to help them to be more productive, they are going to be ahead of everyone else. People that know how to use AI to their advantage to monetize, they will be the ones that will be creating wealth for the future. So this is the biggest wealth opportunities of our lifetime. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 practical ways which you can start using AI to monetize your skills, your knowledge, or even if you're an absolute beginner, these things that I'm going to show you right now are the easiest ways for beginners to get started. So I teach beginners how to use AI to monetize their ideas, their skills by even creating their own digital products, or even just monetizing AI overall to create digital income. And I've put together a free guide for you, which is 5 AI digital products ideas you can start this week. So click the link down in the description box below to grab it. So here are the 5 ways, and I am going to start with number 5 and go all the way down to number 1, which will be the best one for beginners to start. So let's go. So number 5, you can use AI for automation. So this is where you use AI to set up, your emails, to answer your emails, to be your customer service support agent, and also schedule your content, schedule your videos to post on your social media. So all of your business tasks can be handled by AI. So what this does is to free up more time for you so that you can scale your business, so that you can be more productive. So instead of having thousands of dollars to hire an assistant for your business, you can use AI as your own personal assistant. So you don't need to hire anyone to be an assistant for your business. Or even if you're a solopreneur and you create content, or whatever it is you do, if you're a coach or consultant, or if you have a business, you can use the AI to have your own personal assistant, and you can give the AI all these tasks to do, such as I said, your emails, your customer support. So you can create your chat box where if somebody message you or comment on a post that you made on social media, the AI can automatically reply to these things. So it frees up more time in the business for you. So this one is a great one. Number 5, AI automation. So the number 4 way you can use AI to monetize is AI content creation. So, as you know, there are a lot of content creators out there, people that are creating content, they're monetizing their content. So, I'm going to tell you how you can use AI to monetize your content. So, what you can use AI to do is to create your YouTube scripts. If you're a YouTuber and you create content on YouTube, you can also use it to create scripts for TikTok, Instagram. You can use it to edit your videos. You can use it to cut your videos. You can use it to turn long form YouTube videos such as this into short form contents where you can share on your social media. You can use AI tools such as Midjourney to create your own YouTube thumbnail using AI. So this ain't no joke. This AI content creation thing, it's blowing up right now, and this is another way you can take advantage of the AI gold rush that is happening right now. Some ways you can monetize content creation is by creating your own digital products. You can use chatgpt to do this as well, to help you to create digital offer to monetize. So you can monetize via ads or even sponsorship. So when you create content, for instance, if you wanted to be a YouTuber and you use AI to help you to script. Use the AI to come up with ideas for your video. Use the AI to learn how you can shorten your time creating videos and repurpose those videos as well so you can monetize on all social media platforms. We're at number 3, and this is one of my favorite ones. This is AI powered online courses. I know you see the buzz with courses online, how people are selling these courses. If you see sometimes it's $397 or even $497. People are selling $500 courses, $1,000 courses, even $2,000 courses. So AI can help you to create your own course. Yes. So you can use AI to create the slides for your presentations. You can use AI to come up with the idea for the course as well. And you can, promote your course, or, create content around your course on social media, and you can get people interested in buying your course from you. With creating your courses, the ideas that you have, things that you know how to do, can turn into a course as well, a mini course. It doesn't have to be a long course. And also, you can start these ideas by downloading my free AI digital product guide, where you can go from ideas to creating your first digital product. So remember, our course is a digital product as well. So remember, click the link in the description box below to grab that. We're at number 2 is AI for freelancing. This is huge because what you can do is to use AI, learn a skill, whether that is video editing with AI, creating content with AI, writing vlogs with AI, or even creating PowerPoints with AI. So you can pick one thing that you would like to learn about AI, one service, and then you can go to businesses and do that service for them, and they will be happy to pay you for this. Remember, the AI industry right now, so many businesses, they don't know what to do. They want to incorporate AI in their business, but they are overwhelmed with the amount of information that is out there, and they don't want to even do it themselves. So this is where you come in. You help businesses use AI software and tool to make their life easier, and they will pay you for it. As an AI freelancer, you can use Jasper and even chatgpt to help your clients. Some of these people, even if they know that you are using AI, they want you to use AI. Some of them will even tell you to use AI in helping them with their business. So they have no problem because they're so interested in learning or even putting AI in their business because they see what's going on with AI and how AI is helping businesses grow. So becoming an AI freelancer, you can also advertise your services on Fiverr.com and or Upwork.com. You can, become a freelancer, put your services on those platforms and try to reach out to clients, or even go in their DMs, pitch them, even send them cold emails just to get them to be interested in the services that you offer, and they will be happy to pay you for the services. And now we are at number 1. Drum roll, please. This is AI powered digital products. This is my absolute favorite way of monetizing AI because this is very much beginner friendly. So the only thing you need to create digital products is the skills and knowledge that you currently have now. So think about something that you have experiences such as cooking, fitness, beauty, if you know how to do makeup. Anything that you can do can be turned into a digital product and be monetized. So some examples of this are AI, AI powered meal plans. So you can use ChatGPT to help you to create meal plans. If you're in fitness, you're in business, you can use AI to help you to create an ebook, whatever industry you're in, you can go to ChatGPT, give ChatGPT the prompt, tell ChatGPT what to do, and it will produce the results for you. So you want to ask the AI to help you to come up, even if you don't have any ideas. You can ask the AI based on the skills that you have. Just tell the AI the skills that you have and ask the AI, how can I monetize these skills that I currently have and turn them into a digital product, or what digital products you can turn them into, and it will do that for you. And the beauty about creating your AI digital product is that you create a digital product one time and you sell it over and over and over again. This is the idea of passive income. This is very much passive. So those are my top 5 ways you can earn in 2025 using AI. You don't need to master all of them. You just need to pick one and start. So if you want an easy place to begin, don't forget to download my free guide where you have 5 digital product ideas you can create using AI, which you can start this week. And don't overthink this. The sooner you jump on this, the easier it is for you to understand. You catch this wave and you ride this wave for your future. Think about the life that you want, the things that you want to achieve, and everything else. Use AI to your advantage. AI is not here to replace you. If you know how to use AI to do all of these things that as I mentioned before, then you'll be ahead and you don't have to worry about money. You don't have to worry about, not having enough for your children or your family. All of this that I'm telling you right now, the sooner you jump in, the better it is for you. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.